Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to share Spotify Wrapped on Instagram Story 2023. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Spotify Wrapped 2023 has just dropped. In order to actually share this to your Instagram story, you obviously need to see Spotify Wrapped, because some people simply cannot see it yet, and that might be because your app is not up to date. So if you go to the App Store or the Play Store and you search for Spotify, you should see an update button or an open button. If it says open, it is up to date. If it says update, you obviously have to update it, so please make sure to do that first. If you still cannot see it, restart your phone. Now to actually share your Spotify Wrapped to your story, it's pretty cool. You can either click on the top left to see your wraps over here, or you could simply click on here your top songs or your stories. This will start playing and you can see all of these. As you can see, we'll say share this story at the bottom, so basically you can share almost any story on here. But the coolest one is obviously the one at the end where you can see your top artists and top songs. Once you want to share one, you can simply click on share over here, and this will pop up. Sometimes it keeps on loading, but you just have to wait or try a couple of times, and then here you can see Instagram stories and messages. You simply want to click on stories. This will bring you over to Instagram. So now I can simply click on this, and there we go, we are now sharing it on our story. You can add stickers, change background color, and do whatever you like. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.